Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open voice recorder app and select allow in the pop-ups. Then click on the thread button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click over here. And in order to end it and save it, click on this square icon at the bottom right corner. Then name your recording however you wish to and tap on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select delete option over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also go back and tap on one of those recording sections, standard, interview or speech to text. Tap on the best option for you, I will go with interview, and tap on red button again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!